Meaning of garbage collector.
Garbage collector.
Garbage collector.
Garbage collector.
Garbage collector. A garbage collector is a program or component of a programming language runtime environment that automatically determines whether objects are still being used by a program and frees the memory occupied by the objects that are no longer needed. It helps to prevent memory leaks, which can occur when an application fails to release memory. Garbage collectors make programming easier and less error-prone by managing memory allocation and deallocation automatically. Without a garbage collector, programmers would have to manually allocate and deallocate memory, which could result in bugs and stability issues in their programs.